Hello everyone, and this is something that you have never seen into the Indian Railways. This is going to be the future of Indian Railway, and you are seeing UC Cube, that is Unified Command and Control Center. So today we have just a small function of Diwali, and we'll introduce our team as well as little bit celebration. So let's have a look. So this is our oldest member and our guidance sir Narayan Bhai, and then we will move towards the most experienced person Shri Iyer sir, and you can see the nice dashboards and all the works they are doing. This is our small function today we have done, and we have performed a puja. It was very pleasant experience. Yes, you have a sweet here. And Aarti was performed by everyone. We will have the visuals of that. Then we will have the look at RD sir, and he has done the fantastic software of card booking, and it is since 2000. Yeah, it's working fine. Then comes the only one and only Krutika, and she has been mastering the Google Studio, and the nice dashboards accompanying her. Mr. Ketan is also doing a great job of developing dashboards, and he has now dived into the Laravel. So some technical words are coming, but it is a part of the IT environment. Then here comes the wonderful and the most talented person, Mr. Vinay. You can say Vinay Kumar Srivastav. And you can see he is the master of Google Studio, Google Sheets and all the Google products. I think he is going to meet Sundar Pichai one day, that's for sure. Then we have Nilesh sir. He is from commercial, and he is handing over the commercial dashboard, and it's very nice and developing the things. Now you will see some more features of UC Cube, like you can see all the codes written here. Then this is the meditation room, and we have nice design. I'll show you the design of and the vision and the development of Indian Railways. This is right from the High Rail Metro to the oldest stations, oldest railway. Yeah. So this is the design, and all these concepts have been designed by Mr. GVL Satyakumar. He is our DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. And this is the beautiful conference hall. All the innovative codes, all the innovative technologies, everything in place, and this is really nice to see. Now I will take you to the front dashboard, which is the beautiful attraction, and here we go. So these are the main screens of this UC Cube, and you can see all the screens are active. In this front two screen we will have live tracking of cameras, which comes under ISS project, and this is the overview and look of the UC Cube. And that completes our round, and least but not the least, our final member Himmat, and Himmat has done a great job of Flutter, Laravel and all this development. With this we end our video and wish you very happy Diwali once again.